Let's go! Hell's Hammer!
Huh?
Well, don't you sound surprised. Today I'll be using this copied Hell's Hammer. This one's titled Challenge the One and Only Persona, starring yours truly.
Bird, no fair! You get to battle a copied Bey? Ah, you're so lucky!
I had a feeling he'd battle with a copied Bey. Yet I didn't expect a copied Bey to be my own Hell's Hammer. Still, I won't lose! Hell's Hammer is my Bey and mine alone!
3, 2, 1,
Go shoot! Bringing out my base strength. That's what's important! Let's do this! Hammer!
How did he know about Hammer Smash?
Oh, so it's Hammer Smash then. Let me guess. Use his heavy-weighted blades to smash the opponents down in a flash. Kinda obvious for a Bey called Hell's Hammer, don't you think? Let's do it then. Time for the main showcase.
We won't lose!
Bey crafting is tricky and precise work to pull off. So much that Yggdrasil's team of researchers had to devote themselves fully to it. You have to balance the weight of the metal parts and figure out the composition of each part. If even a single detail is off, it'll affect its performance greatly. No matter how much of a genius he is, this Bey has only fought once in an official battle. It's impossible to copy it to this extent. Which means... it would seem that they've decided to continue the match.
Calm down. Believe in your training and you'll prevail.
Huh? Yes!
We can do this!
Not bad. I didn't think I'd be pushed back this much in a battle of pure attack power. Well... Don't tell me you didn't know! Hell's Hammer has another tactic to its name! I can't believe that you thought it ended with Hammer Smash alone. It has so much more it has to show us! Do me a favor and watch K Extreme Dash! Pakkun Crash!